viewers, just to let you know, on one side of the screen, we have our colleague Shreya Chatterjee currently, in fact, trailing the very vehicles, the police vehicles that have Gaganpreet with them in custody. And on the other side of the screen, we are bringing to you the exact moment of arrest when Gaganpreet was taken into custody. So a complete picture that we are presenting to you at this given point of the current circumstances that have come to develop. Shreya, I'll come back to you. You know, you've very rightly pointed out one thing. The investigation, there's an accident that had taken place. It's an unfortunate tragedy that's come about, the crash that took place of the BMW car with the very bike, claiming Navjot's life. But the point is whether it was just the crash which claimed Navjot's life, whether there was a possibility of taking him to a nearby hospital to get him treated and save his life. And also the fact that his wife, who was sitting behind, was also taken, who also got attended to quite late because of taking them to a hospital in GTB Nagar instead of the ones that were much closer by. And that is what the victim's couple's son has also raised at this point.
Well, absolutely. And that's something which does not have any plausible reasons why it would be done, because you'd see the area that I'm talking is the Dhola region, which is very close in proximity with the NDMC area. You can take someone to the nearby AIIMS, you can take someone to the Safdarjung hospital. There are as well. This doesn't make sense why they would be taking someone so far away. It is something which is to be investigated right now. But
absolutely, Shreya. I think that those are very pertinent points that are being raised at this given point. But yes, the big news that comes in the update is Gaganpreet having been arrested. The BMW driver being arrested by the Delhi police now and now being taken over to the Southwest District Police Station for questioning. So yes, the investigation is currently on. And viewers, with that, we are wrapping this very bulletin. But on the other side, you will be seeing more on this very story where this life has been claimed, but the bigger question than the life being claimed is how has the life been claimed? Was there negligence behind the death, or was it just the accident and the crash?